What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we're going to take a small walnut bowl blank that I bought from Bennie Watkins Jr. over at Woodpecker's Landing. I got that in September at the Mid-Ohio Valley Pen Turners Gathering. We're going to take that blank and we're going to turn it into a small little bowl today. Let's go. All right, so here's the rough turned bowl. I have no finish on it. I'm gonna pack it in some shavings and let it dry and warp and do its thing for a little bit and see what it does. And then we'll go from there. We'll finish turning this at another time. And so yeah, there it is. I love the way the grain looks in this. This is just a beautiful piece. So I can't wait to see how this one will take some finish, and I'll be excited to see what it becomes. So thanks for checking out the video. If you like this video, make sure you comment, share, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff. I want to remind you guys that I do have my Crosscut Creations website, cross-cut-creations.com. You can get merchandise like this t-shirt. I'm also on Patreon, patreon.com/crosscutcreations if you feel like supporting me that way. And we'll see you on the next video.